Hello, everybody. Well, back in the studio, whatever you want to call it. Um, and I just realized behind me, my Fit Team shelf, the shelf is getting bare. I had somebody that wanted to get going, didn't want to wait, and it came right off of my wall inventory. So I just realized that looks a little silly. Here we go. All right, that'll do for now. But I do have an order coming, so it'll be okay. Um, Today I'm going to do some baked chicken. Again, one of the things that I stand by, weight loss is done in the kitchen. It is pushed forward, fine tuned by exercise and other habits that come into the equation. But it starts in the kitchen. If you don't get control of what you do in the kitchen, it's very difficult or very, very expensive. You pay for meals to be picked up and delivered, or you pick them up yourself, whatever it may be. You need to meal prep. You need to be ready. If you make your decisions in the field, outside, at work, well, it doesn't go that well, does it? That's why I was in a position too where I needed to lose weight. I mean, my kid told me, he said, "Dad, you're getting fat," um, and I was getting very heavy, but I'm now down 43 pounds thanks to a Fit Team. A shout out to everybody at corporate. A special thanks to Michelle who got me started with it, and now it's transformed my life. It's snowballed into something where I'm helping other people, and that helps me. Helping you guys, doing the videos, staying in touch, staying active with it has become part of my life, and it keeps me where I'm living healthier. I'm making choices because I'm in that industry. I'm in it. It's part of my life. I'm okay with that because I feel great. My energy level's incredible, and that's that. So, but today we're gonna do baked chicken. It's super super simple. Again, I don't worry about fat. I do watch the type of fats that I eat, but since I do keto now, I started off on low carb. I switched to keto. I do the Fit Team. I know we got a lot of people on here that are new. I do the Fit Team program. I take the lean protein powder, the hydrate, and the Fit. All of those put together, along with my meal plan, 44 pounds. So, yeah, that's right. I'm down 44 now. So, we've had a couple of people that say it doesn't work. There are people that lost 100 pounds, 100 pounds plus. Michelle lost 40 pounds and maintained it for 5 years or something like that. I started in January, and in that month I lost 29.9 pounds, and it's kept going. And now I'm fine tuning. I gained a little bit because I was working out, and things were changing body wise at the gym, and now I've gone after more body fat now and fine tuning it. Every person's body is different. So, regardless, don't want to get too far off base here because it is a cooking video, and it's baked chicken, super simple. And I love thighs, so I use thighs. I'll do some other recipes that'll be good for low carb or just healthy eating in general. Different recipes with the chicken, and that's that. Enjoy. Please subscribe. Tell your friends, subscribe, bribe them, whatever you want to do. It helps me with the YouTube algorithm so that more people like it. And hopefully someday YouTube will give me the funds where I can buy my 1985 Buick Grand National. That's my wish list car. So you can make it possible. Just like and comment, and YouTube will pay for it. It doesn't have to come out of your pocket. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. All right, here we go. Baked chicken, super simple. I like thighs. Depending on your meal plan, if you're trying to avoid fat, you want to look at different variables. For me, the way I eat, this works. Here, I got my Epic. Shout out to Epic. These pork rinds are killer. I've mentioned you guys a couple of times because I love the product. I bumped into this when I was down in Key West. This is really, really good stuff. I got my mix and chop tool here. Again, right tool, right job. Little glass bowl. Just going to go in there. This is so simple. Depending on how much I'm doing, then, I would put on the food processor. You could use a blender. You could use a hand mixer. But for what I do, super simple. And I got a nice, big, crunchy mix going on there. And that's what I like about this tool is you can just twist it. You can see it moving around. Very, very simple. And they're beveled edges. So it is going to break it up a little bit. Perfect thing. So I got my mix right there. Going to leave that on the side. Again, how simple it is to cook for yourself. Meal prep. This is something that you do ahead of time. Guess what? That's what I'm doing. It's the weekend. And I'm doing these. I eat them hot. I eat them cold. All you got to do, and right here, I'm excited. I've used this before. This is my unglazed stone. Absolutely incredible. Holds the heat, cooks the food. You definitely taste the difference when you're using the stones. There's glazed, there's unglazed. Coming from a culinary background, I do get a little picky. And again, right tool, right job. The oven is preheated, so I have this going on here. Let me just rinse my hands real quick. Okay, some food safety basics right there. Just rinsed it off. Got my brush. Gonna just put some avocado oil right on top. I do that. Just helps all the love that I'm about to give it stick to it. And you guys that know me, you know what's coming up next when it comes to flavor. Okay, right like that. You know me, slap your mama. I love this stuff. I'm not sure if there's a link on this video for this. I can put one on there. Now again, I did the pork rinds. I'll just take the pork rinds right up there, just on a couple of them. And that's just the flavor you're going to get out of that. It's going to be, oh my God. That's what I'm talking about. Just a couple, not too much. Those are probably the ones I eat today. And that's it. In the oven, 350. I'll check it. About half an hour. Good to go. Simple. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can use it however. Cook them, put them in the freezer, pull it out, nuke it. Whatever you want to do, but you can do it in one shot. Get your meal prep down. Get the right tools. It's very quick, very simple. All right, there we go. That's it. This I'm eating. Thank you so much again for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Again, 350, depending upon your oven, 30 minutes to 45 minutes in there. Pans do make a difference too. I use the unglazed stone pan. Absolutely love it. Holds in the heat, cooks the bottom. Absolutely incredible. It's such a big difference in a thin metal pan. I mean, it's just world of difference. And I hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna get busy with this chicken. I don't want to record when I eat because I'm an animal. I'm gonna dive into this and I'm gonna get nasty with it. It's gonna be all over me. I mean, I just suck it down. You know, it's not like Walt and Muffy. They're having thighs and they're using their hands. Muffy, we have to leave. No. I'm getting dirty with it. I'm chewing. That's it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day. I hope you enjoy the group, and everybody be well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.